Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto van is an exciting new entry in the small commercial vehicle segment, designed to meet the needs of businesses and fleet operators. With a focus on efficiency, affordability, and practicality, the Jeeto van continues Mahindra's legacy of producing reliable and cost-effective vehicles for the Indian market. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Jeeto van is its compact design, making it perfect for urban environments. With increasing congestion in cities, businesses require a vehicle that can navigate narrow streets while offering ample cargo space. The Jeeto van excels in this regard, featuring a well-balanced structure that ensures easy maneuverability without compromising on load capacity. Under the hood, Mahindra has equipped the Jeeto van with a refined and fuel-efficient engine. The BS6-compliant diesel engine offers an excellent balance of power and mileage, making it an ideal choice for small business owners who prioritize fuel economy. This ensures lower running costs, which is a crucial factor for commercial vehicles used for daily operations. Some variants may also feature a CNG option, further enhancing cost savings and environmental sustainability. The Jeeto van's suspension setup has been optimized for carrying heavy loads while ensuring a smooth ride. Its robust chassis and durable build quality allow it to handle rough roads and demanding conditions without frequent maintenance issues. This is a significant advantage for fleet owners who require a reliable vehicle that can withstand daily wear and tear. Inside the cabin, Mahindra has focused on driver comfort and practicality. The ergonomically designed dashboard and seating arrangement ensure a fatigue-free driving experience, which is essential for drivers spending long hours on the road. The controls are easy to reach, and the instrument cluster provides all the necessary information at a glance. While it remains a budget-friendly commercial vehicle, Mahindra has included essential features such as a well-ventilated cabin, basic infotainment options, and safety enhancements like seat belts and a reinforced body structure. Another key selling point of the 2025 Jeeto van is its impressive payload capacity. Despite its compact dimensions, it offers ample cargo space, making it suitable for various applications, including goods transport, courier services, and even passenger movement in some configurations. Businesses looking for a cost-effective logistics solution will find the Jeeto van to be a practical choice that delivers value for money. Mahindra has also focused on keeping the maintenance costs low, ensuring that owners do not have to spend excessively on servicing. The widespread availability of spare parts and Mahindra's extensive service network further add to the van's appeal, making it an easy choice for businesses looking for a hassle-free ownership experience. In terms of competition, the 2025 Jeeto van goes up against rivals like the Tata Ace Magic and Maruti Suzuki Super Carry. However, Mahindra has carved a niche for itself by offering a product that balances price, efficiency, and durability. With an attractive price point, fuel-efficient engine options, and Mahindra's trusted after-sales service, the Jeeto van is well positioned to be a popular choice among small business owners. Overall, the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto van is a well-rounded commercial vehicle that caters to the needs of urban and semi-urban businesses. Its compact size, high fuel efficiency, and impressive payload capacity make it a versatile option for multiple industries. Mahindra has once again delivered a product that meets the demands of the market while ensuring reliability and affordability. Whether used for deliveries, transport, or any other business requirement, the Jeeto van is set to be a game changer in its segment.